Stinky feet and 4 ways to avoid it. Medically known as bromodosis, stinky feet are a common year-round problem. When temperatures rise, your body perspires more, and that includes your feet. Closed-toe shoes plus hot weather or sweating equals foot odor. Foot odor and infections happen when the bacteria that live on your skin and in your shoes eat your sweat. This produces an acid byproduct that smells unpleasant. How to treat and prevent smelly or stinky feet. The good news is that smelly feet are usually easy to treat by. Number 1. Soak your feet. Thoroughly cleaning your feet is more than rinsing them in a quick shower. Soaking your feet in a mixture of vinegar and water or Epsom salt and water. For a salt soak, dissolve half a cup of Epsom salt in a tub or large bowl of warm water and soak for about 10 to 20 minutes. Epsom salt pulls moisture out of your skin, which in turn makes a less inviting place for bacteria to survive. For a vinegar soak, combine 2 parts water with 1 part vinegar in a tub or large bowl of warm water and soak for 15 to 20 minutes once a week. You can use either white or apple cider vinegar. Vinegar makes your skin inhospitable to bacteria. Do not use this soak if your feet have open sores, scratches or cuts, or if the soak irritates your skin. Number 2. Keep your feet dry. Be sure to dry your feet well after bathing, soaking or swimming. Unpleasant odor comes from moisture, so it's important to keep feet, shoes and socks as dry as possible. Try these tips. Change your socks if they get wet or sweaty. Wear socks and shoes that let your feet breathe. Use athletic socks with moisture-wicking technology. As for shoes, mesh athletic shoes or real leather are safe bets. Avoid shoes made of synthetic materials. Sprinkle some powder or baking soda or cornstarch in your shoes. Some foot odor powders are deodorants, others absorb sweat. Number 3. Disinfect your shoes. Spray a general household disinfectant in your shoes and on the insoles and then let them dry. It might also help to let them dry in the sun. Number 4. Try essential oils. An 1:1 ratio of juniper oil and benzoin applied to the feet helped get rid of odor-causing bacteria. Other essential oils with antimicrobial activity also may help. Essential oils can be quite strong and may irritate skin. Even so, the skin on your feet is thick. Test the oil on a small patch of skin first. If it stings, dilute it in water before rubbing on your feet. When to see a doctor. Smelly feet are a harmless problem that generally clears up. Sometimes, however, it can be a sign of a medical condition. See your GP if simple measures to reduce your foot odor don't help, or if you're worried that your level of sweating is abnormally high. Your doctor can offer you a strong prescription antiperspirant or refer you for a treatment called iontophoresis, which delivers a mild electric current through water to your feet to combat excessive sweating. Hope these recommendations might help you solve the problem of smelly feet. Please subscribe to our channel for more healthy pie tips.